Hello coin engineers, in today's video we will talk about the Genopets new key token and how to buy it, how to participate the Genopets pre-sale. Before we start, please subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell in order to get the priceless contents for free every day. If you are ready, let's start. Now, let's dive deep into what is key token and what is Genopets. You know Genopets, as we have made a video about them earlier. You can watch this video through the link in the descriptions of this video. And now, let's dive into key token and its tokenomics. Key token is one of the tokens of Genopets, as you can understand from here. And it's the in-game utility token that is earned by habited NFT owners for taking steps. You can use your key tokens while creating NFTs, minting habitats, converting to energy to level up or refining your crystals. We will dive deeper into these later on while we show you how to play Genopets and how to develop your character in the game. And now the tokenomics. The total supply of key token is 60 million keys. And as you can see from here, the 20 million keys will be sold in this pre-sale. And other 20 million will be airdropped to Gene stakers. And Gene is one of other tokens of Genopets, and the other 20 million will be used as the initial supply of key token. The token launch starting price will be 50 cents, but as you can see right here, it's nearly 10 cents right now. You can find this website's link in the descriptions of this video. And now let's come to the pre-sale. First of all, the key token pre-sale is a little bit different than what we used to. The price fluctuates every time. That means they are using a different system, which is star liquidity bootstrapping curve. The price of the tokens decreases and it only increases if somebody buys it. As you can see, here is the token price. It's nearly 10 cents right now, and you can see the remaining key tokens right here. It was 20 million at the start, but it's nearly 7 million left. And the time remaining is also important because there's only 1 day and 1 hour left, as you can see here. So if you want to buy key token, if you want to participate in this pre-sale, please hurry up before you miss it. So let's see how we can buy it. The pre-sale happens on Solana network, so you must use Solana network. How can you use Solana network? You must have a Phantom wallet. If you don't know how to open a Phantom wallet, please click on the link just below our video, which is in the descriptions of this video, and learn how to open a Phantom wallet. And then you must pay with USDC. Send your USDC from Binance or any other exchange you are using right now to your Phantom wallet. Don't forget to send some Solanas too, because you must pay Solana while making the transactions. So, to show you how to do it, I've sent my wallet 30 USDC, as you can see. Let's see how we can buy it. I'll write here 30 USDC. You can send 100 USDC, 1000 USDC, whatever it's best for you, with how much money you want to participate in this pre-sale. I will participate more than 30 USDC, but in this video, I will buy with 30 USDC because I have only 30 USDC in my wallet. After this video, I will buy with more. I will send to my Phantom wallet more USDC from my Binance account. If you don't know how to send it, please click on the Binance tutorial link just below our video, which is in the descriptions, and learn how to do transactions between your Phantom wallet and your Binance account. Now let's see. Let's write here 30 USDC and click on purchase key token. Remember, there is some slippage right here. You can change the slippage if you can't buy it, but 5% is enough for now. And after you click on the purchase key token, there will be a pop-up coming from your Phantom wallet which wants you to approve the transaction. If the network is busy, the loading time might be higher than usual, but it will eventually load, guys, so wait it. And when this pop-up comes up, click on the approve button. As you can see, I have successfully purchased 304 key tokens. And I can see my key tokens in my Phantom wallet. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you found this useful, please like this video, comment down below if you have any thoughts, and subscribe to our channel for the future announcements. See you in the next one.